do peixe salgado, salted fish street. Check out that bright building going down the hill. All around by her neighborhood, street of salted fish. Oh, 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 street of salted fish. Oh, oh, oh. Chacun nous dai, rua do peixe salgado, salted fish street. Check out that bright building going down the hill. All around by her neighborhood, street of salted fish. Oh, 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 street of salted fish. Oh, 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 street of salted fish. Oh, 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 street of salted fish. Rua do peixe salgado.
Okay, so this street translated in English is like the street of the salted fish, Peixe Salgado. And down there is Ama Temple. We're gonna be walking down this way, but this street right here is gonna be our focus street. And we're gonna walk back a little bit so you can see it. And it's a really short street. So I think what I'll probably do is I'll probably walk down one side, come back, and then kind of walk down that way towards Ama Temple. So stay tuned for that. This is our target street. Slice of Macau. Let's put it up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Let's do it. Okay, so let me move back. Then you can kind of see what the street looks like. So that's going to be our target street right there. Really small street, but that building is really beautiful, like nice beautiful green and red. That's Ama Temple down that way. Then you also have this goes up to I forget the name of this one. This is actually a brand new building right here, so they were just building this for the last year or so. We're just gonna go up just briefly. Then right up there is the Moorish temple. So this is called Calzada de Barra, which is not our target street. But you can see this Moorish temple right there. Not a temple, a barracks. But that barracks would have once overlooked the ocean, and then this just came about a year ago. But all these things were built and blocked the view. But that would have once overlooked the ocean. Can I take a look at some of this other stuff here? Huh, I don't know what this is. Like a different country. Part of Europe somewhere. Calzada de Barra. So our target street is this straight ahead. And I'm gonna walk down it. It's like really short street. But I've always really liked these two buildings right here. This nice beautiful green one and the red one as well. There's some artwork on the trash can. And then we have a little alley right here with the same name. This is called the Beco do Peixe Salgado, like the small alley of the salted fish. It's kind of dark in here, let me see. Then you got a market right there as well. Nice bikes. Yeah, that looks really nice. And then our street actually finishes right up here. But we'll walk up here as well. And then this is actually Almaran Sergio Street, and it follows the waterfront. A little bit bright in here. And then Amma Temple is directly that way. Yeah, that's our street. So let's just go up. It's really bright. And because I like this colorful buildings, we're gonna kind of meander like this a little bit. And then we're gonna be walking down Bara, Pasada de Bara. And this one goes all the way down to Amma Temple. Salted fish. Let's take a look and see Cookie Ducky. They also have some places like little patios like that one as well. And this one used to be a lot more stuff right here. I think if they open up these gates, there'd be like all these Macau icons, like the Zapata ruins and all these little miniature. There's an ice cream shop. It's Sunday evening, so I don't know. I guess maybe they're not open right now. They're probably open all day because there's a lot of tour groups that come in here. But at the moment, I don't really see anything like that. It's Sunday about 6 p.m. now, maybe 5 p.m., something like that. So Casada de Bara, it starts at the Moorish temple. Then you can see the Amma temple right up here. So this whole space up here is all part of the Amma temple. So that street is like Rua de it's like Peixe Salgado. Then Amma temple goes up into the hills a little bit, and then this is actually how Macau was first named after. So it's called Amma temple. But originally they said, you know, where are we? And they said Macau, Macau, and then it became Macau. So let's walk in a little bit. So our street would have been on the other side of this green building. It's nice in here. Really nice and peaceful. Maritime Museum is directly over that way. Oh, and they also have like a new thing over that way as well. You should walk over there. Maybe I will. So our street would have been like right around the corner right here, and then this whole waterway would have been like over there is all Zhuhai, China. Let me just kind of walk over here. So our target street would be like right around the corner there. I was gonna walk over this way, but I think I'm gonna end the video over in this eating place. We're actually getting a little bit off of the Salted Fish Street. But I haven't been here in a while, so. And this area, so that's the Maritime Museum right over there. And then this is all Amma Temple right in this area. And then over here is this new area where they, I think it's basically like outdoor food. Food carts and such. I'm curious to see how much it has changed. It's relatively new. Last time I was here, it was still getting set up a little bit. Yeah, today called the Bara Kitchen. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it looks busier now. Yeah, maybe I'll film this one. So anyways, our salted fish is on the other side of Amma Temple over here.
Oh, 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 street of salted fish.